It is Saturday afternoon, and the weather is just about perfect. Sandy and I are out for our usual afternoon walk. Sandy is a large dog, the largest on our street by a fair margin. She has always loved meeting other dogs. Size means nothing to her. Today we come across several dog friends along the way. Sandy greets each one eagerly, tail wagging the whole time. She is doing well today, calm, sociable, easy to handle. We work our way around the loop, heading toward the crossing we always use on the far side. Same signal, same corner, part of the routine. As we approach, I can see the walk sign is already on. Then it starts to flash. We are close, really close. We could probably make it. For a moment, I think about it. We could probably make it if we moved quickly. Sandy loves to run. She would be happy to go if I asked her to. But I glance back. A family is approaching the same corner, a mother and a small child. They're moving at a calm, easy pace, not in a hurry. I decided not to rush in front of them. I slow down and stop at the curb. Sandy stops beside me without any fuss. She just settles in and waits. The walk sign is still flashing. There is still time, but we stay where we are. A young man comes up from behind, moving quickly. He doesn't hesitate. He steps off the curb while the sign is still flashing. He walks straight across, doesn't slow down, doesn't look back. The mother standing beside me at the curb, she is watching him. She glances down at her child and says quietly, "Don't copy him." The child watches for a moment, then nods. A few seconds later, the light changes. The walk sign turns green. Sandy and I step off the curb. We cross at the same time. I hadn't planned any of that. I didn't stop to set an example. I just stopped because it felt right. But hearing those words, "Don't copy him," I was glad I had. Sandy trots across behind me, completely unaware of what just happened. She is already looking ahead, already thinking about what comes next. Just the afternoon light and the sound of our footsteps on the pavement. Some moments are unplanned. This was one of them, and it felt just right.